guys, it's me, Miss Norris, and today we're going to do a short drawing activity called Yes You Can Draw a Squirrel, because yes you can draw a squirrel, and today I'm going to show you how in some very easy to follow steps. All you're going to need is something to write on. Today I'm going to be using my dry erase board, and something to write with. Today I'm going to be using a dry erase marker. If you have something to write on and something to write with, then we can get started, and here we go. The first step in drawing a squirrel, like this on my shirt, you see my squirrel, is to draw an oval that's on its side, kind of like a grape shape. You see that? A grapey shape? That's going to be your squirrel's head. We're going to have our squirrel facing off into the distance so that we can see its magnificent tail. All right? Then underneath this, kind of attached to this, you're going to draw a long skinny U or like a teardrop shape. This is going to be your squirrel's body. Oh. Now you can make your squirrel as big or as small, as fat or as skinny as you want. It's your squirrel. Do with it what you want. My squirrel's a little bit of a chubby little squirrel and I love her. And then I'm going to draw I'm going to draw a little half circle on the front side of this U. That's going to just give the shape of a different texture on their belly of the squirrel. All right, you ready for the next step? Let's give this squirrel a face so that we have something to look at. Right on the tip of your grape, you're going to draw a little round circle. That's going to be your squirrel's nose. On the top of your grape shape, you're going to make one rainbow and then like a half of a rainbow. And then inside those rainbows, you're going to make another another little tiny rainbow. Okay? Then you're going to draw a big circle with a little pupil. There's your squirrel's eye. We're looking at you. And if you'd like, you can add some little eyelashes. You could, some little eyelashes, or you could draw a little eyebrow on there. It's up to you how you want to give your squirrel personality. The last step on the face is my favorite part. As you know, if you've been doing drawing activities with me in the past, anytime I spend drawing with you is a time that I'm happy, and so my squirrel is going to be a happy little squirrel. So right here, I'm going to draw a little smiley line. Now you must be thinking, Miss Norris, squirrels have arms, they have feet, they have tails, they have other things. Hold your horses, my friends, we're getting there. So the next thing you're going to do is you're going to make a backward C. I'm sorry, it's a regular C. You're going to make a C. And then when you get to the end of your C, you're going to make a little teardrop. And then you're going to make another little teardrop. Boom! Our squirrel has feet. Now on the tops of these feet, I'm going to draw some little lines so that we can show that our squirrel has little claws. So it's just little lines. 1, 2, as many as you can fit. Boom! We have feet. And then we're going to do something very similar for the arms. The first arm, we're going to start kind of right in the middle of the body, and we're going to make a line that goes down and out. I'll show you again. Down and out. Then we're going to curve it and follow it back. I'll show you again. You're going to come down and over. Then you're going to curve it and go back up. And then you're going to do the same thing right here. You're going to right on the outside of your body now, you're going to make a little line that goes out. Then you're going to curve it and come back. And again, you're going to do some little lines to make your claws. Now we have a squirrel that can hold a nut. Now we have one final step, and this is kind of the funnest one. We're going to make our squirrel's tail. Now, with a squirrel's tail, you can really use your imagination. You can make it just a curved tail like the one on my shirt. You can make it curlier if you want. It's really up to you. But what I do is I start here at the bottom, and I go up and curve it just a little bit. You see that? I start at the bottom of its bottom, and I go up till I get to about even with his eyeball. Then I curve it, and then I come to about his shoulder right here, and I finish the curve. Now you can experiment with your tail. You can change it up. You can have it end with a roundy point, or you could have it end with a pointier point. It really is up to you. And you can change your whole squirrel just by changing simple little details like how your squirrel's tail is flipped, or how big or small his tail is, or her tail. And I'm excited when I get to experiment with different ideas. Once you get the basic idea of how to draw something, you can change it any way you want. And that's the fun thing about art, is that it really is up to you. I hope you really enjoyed drawing a squirrel with me, because yes, you can draw a squirrel, and now you know you can. If you have not subscribed to this channel yet, please hit that subscribe button and click the bell for notifications. If you have subscribed, thank you so much. I really appreciate your support. And I will see you next time. Bye, squirrels.